कुडचडे भलायकी केंद्रान लोकांक बरी सेवा दिवंक मेळची म्हूण भलायकी अधिकाऱ्यांची बेगोबेग नेमणूक करची अशी मागणी भलायकी अधिकारी दोतोर गणपती काकोडकरान केल्या. हॉस्पिटलाक नवी ॲम्ब्युलन्स आनी जीप दिवची अशी मागणी तांणी केल्या.
There are medical officers, but 2 medical officers are posted in the area of PSC Sange. So our medical officers are overburdened. They have to do also OPD plus also emergency duties at the same time. The roof of this hospital is old and of tiles and wood, and this is leaking during the rainy season and has to be urgently repaired. The ambulance and the office jeep are old and need to be replaced. The septic tank and soak pits are leaking and need to be repaired urgently. There are 2 medical officers, I have already told you, are posted in the area of PSC Sange, and they have to be placed back at CSC Kurchore for smooth functioning of the hospital. The medical officers here are overburdened because one medical officer has to be look after more than 120 OPD patients and emergency patients also. The assistant matron of CSC Kurchore has retired and the post is not filled.
काणकोण तालुक्यांतल्या गालजीबाग आनी तळपण पुला खातीर अर्थसंकल्पांत तरतूद केल्या म्हूण काणकोणकार खूश जाल्यात. हे पूल बांदपाची आश्वासनां फाटलीं 40 वर्सां राजकीय फुडारी दीत असले अंदू अर्थसंकल्पांत तरतूद केल्या. आतां पुलाचें काम रोखडेंच चालू करचें अशें लोकांनी मागलां.
मनोहरभाई पारेकरान हें आमकां गरजेचें काम आसलें तेन्ना आयज आमकां डिक्लेअर केलें आनी हे पूल जो पळय बांदपाचो आसा तो हांव आतां म्हाका दिसता 9 वर्सां आसतनसान हांव आयकतां आनी एवरी गव्हर्मेंट जाल्लें तें सांगता की आपूण पूल बांदता ब्रीज बांदता गालजीबाग तळपण पूण आजून पासून कांय तयार जालें ना.
सादारण कितले वर्स जाले कमिटमेंट दिता?
सादारण म्हाका दिसता जवळ जवळ 40 वर्सां जातलीं. 40 वर्सां जातलीं 35 to 40 years तरी जातलीं. पूण आयज हांव एकदम खुशाल की आमचो न्यू गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जावन आमचो BJP मोहनभाई पारेकरान हें आमकां डिक्लेअर केलें म्हूण आनी तेन्ना हांव ताका रिक्वेस्ट करता की हो पूल दोनूय गालजीबाग आनी तळपण ब्रीज जाता तितले बेगीन जावचे आनी तेणें तितून भितर लक्ष घेवन हें आमचे लोकांक गरजेचें जावन आसा त्या देखून हें एकदम बेगीन करचें अशें म्हणून हांव तेजे कडेन उपकार मागता. लोक सद्या आतां 4 वटेच्यानी वयता. आतां एक धाकली फेरी घायला ती फेरी घालून कांयच उपेग ना. मदेंच देंवचें पडटा आनी बायलांक जशें जाणट्यांक खूब त्रास जाता आनी हे आमी जे आसा जे आतां आमी रेल्वे ब्रीज आसा तेजे वयल्यान क्रॉस करतात तें जाल्यार डेंजर आसा. गालजीबाग एक इस्कॉल आसा आनी प्लस कॉलेज आसा माशेंच्यान येवपाक वचपाक लोकांक खूब त्रास जाता.
शेनवारा 7 फावट बिलियर्ड्स वर्ल्ड चॅम्पियन पंकज अडवाणीन थायलंडाच्या प्रपुताक 9 फ्रेमींच्या एका बऱ्या गेमीन हरयले. ह्या दोनूय वर्ल्ड चॅम्पियनांनी एकामेकाक बरेच आडावन धरिल्ले. मात पंकज अडवाणीन निमण्या फ्रेमी मेरेन ताचो बरो खेळ दाखयलो आनी तो जैतिवंत थारलो. आनीक एके सेमीफायनलीन देवेंद्र जोशीक बरो खेळ दाखोवपाचें सातत्य नाशिल्ल्यान थायलंडाच्या थावातान ताका स्ट्रेट 5 सेटांनी हरयलो.
The easiest of the shot, you really played like true champion and never compromised. Not in a single shot you compromised. And you played the correct billiards and the pure billiards and with full focus and concentration. That's why you won today. You have to fire all your cylinders, you have to raise the game to the optimum and your focus concentration was not Not even, you never lost the self-belief. The thin cannons, you kept on playing thin cannons. You never lost the self-belief.
I believe I won still because I don't think he did anything wrong, really. The last two frames, he just had two, even you can't say two mistakes, but just two opportunities that he didn't capitalize on. And from there, I don't know what happened, but I had to play the way I played to win. Otherwise, there was no other chance. And when you're playing at this level, you're playing, sometimes you're giving more than 100%. It's just unbelievable to win against someone who's just been probably the best player of the tournament so far.
Pankaj, 7 world titles, so many participations at the Asian level championships over there as well. Still, you rate this match as the best of your career?
This is one of the best, definitely one of the best. The pockets are a little big, so it makes it slightly easy for the players who are playing. Of course, it's for both, for my opponent and for myself. But in terms of the quality, I mean, there's nothing to beat this match, really. If you ask anyone who's witnessed it also, I think we had 6 centuries or maybe more than that. I'm not even sure of the statistics now because I've forgotten what I've done in the last 2.5 hours. So, tremendous.
In the 5th or the 6th frame, if I'm not mistaken, you went down on the 96th point and then he came back and he made you pay for it.
I mean, what can you do? When you can't finish the game, you just sit back and say, my God, I've given it everything I have. Yes, I didn't finish the frame, but sometimes the nature of the game is such that you've got to play a safe shot. You can't over try, and if I had tried and missed, then probably the people who are seeing or our coach would have said, why did you over try? And even I thought that the correct shot was to play safe because you're 96 points down, you're under pressure. From there he comes back and makes a 100 break. So I rate this as one of my best victories because my opponent has played extremely well as well. So to be able to match up to him and outdo him in the last frame is just, I'm at a loss for words really at the moment. Yeah, I'm just describing the match, but I really don't know what else to say.
Your semi-final has been quite contrasting to the other semi-final.
Well, every day is a new day. Many people will say that, I've used up my petrol. Many people will say that, okay, fine, he's come back, so he's in, peak condition and playing well under pressure to perform. But look, every day is a new day.
Thawat is concentrating of just playing some good billiards and is not bothered about the result. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Miramar.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हें खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.